To stream on Kick using Streamlabs, start by creating a Kick account. Once you have an account, tap on your profile icon. Then select Create a Dashboard. Next, go to the Stream space. Tap on Settings and then Stream key. Leave this page open and open a new browser to access Streamlabs. Download and install the Streamlabs desktop application. After installation, the app will prompt you to set up your stream. Tap on the settings icon. Select Stream, and then choose Custom Streaming Server. Go back to the Kick page you left open, and copy the stream URL and stream key. Paste these into the Streamlabs settings. But be sure to keep your stream key hidden, as sharing it could allow others to stream from your account. Next, configure your output settings. But you can leave the default settings if you're not familiar with the options. Then, select your audio devices and microphone. You can choose from default devices or select other devices if available. Once you've set up your audio, proceed to the Sources section. To add a source, tap the plus icon and select the type of source you want to add, such as game capture or window capture. If you want to stream your entire screen, select Display Capture. After adding your source, you can preview your stream. If you want to add a webcam, tap the plus icon, select Video Capture Device, and add the source. You can adjust the size and position of your webcam in the preview. When you're ready to start streaming, tap Go Live. Your stream will start, and you can view your chat, session info, viewers, and other details on the Kick platform. Remember to mute your audio to avoid feedback. With these steps, you can successfully stream on Kick using Streamlabs.